All right, real quick, I want to get your take on this. Ryan said today, Ryan Breton, when we were doing one of the evening shows, can't remember which one, because it all is a blur, but he said, this isn't necessarily cold weather, it's more chilly. And I was like, what?
I overheard this from the office.
So what is your definition of, well, would you classify this week as cold or chilly? Is what we'll go with first.
I think this is gonna sound like a very non-answer, but it depends on the time of year. Because I don't think I have a range of numbers per se.
Okay.
It's just how cold I feel in that particular moment.
Okay.
Like yesterday I was out and about and I was wearing a jacket and also a hat and I was like, that's cold. I needed a hat.
So wardrobe is a part of it too.
Wardrobe is a part of it.
Okay, well, we can get to the actual science and the real numbers behind the cold versus chilly debate.
I think that's a debate a lot of people would have. So if you thought today was cold or chilly, your high temperatures were in the 40s closer to the coast, in the 30s areas of northern Maine, definitely below average for this time of year. We have an upper level area of low pressure that's been bringing a lot of cloud cover to the area, as well as some scattered showers of the snow variety in areas of northern Maine and of the rain variety in southern Maine. Those will come in more of a factor for tomorrow. However, if you would like to see the northern lights tonight, unfortunately, it's not a great night for it. You're going to be dodging a lot of cloud cover. But if you do go out, I'm always a vote for it. I like the northern lights. I think they're cool. You will need a jacket because we'll be at or below freezing for much of the state. So if you were a little bit curious about the aurora activity, we are in the peak of the solar cycles. There's a lot of sunspot activity, and the previous peaks were in 2014 and 2000. I heard a lot of questions of people saying, wow, the northern lights seem like they're so much more common than they used to be. And some of the reasons for that is there's a pretty big gap in between them, and cell phone cameras are better, so you can see them a little bit better. And there's also more social media nowadays, so it's a lot easier to get those photos around. So I thought that was a little bit of an interesting social experiment there. But obviously, if you go out to see the northern lights tonight, please send us some photos. We'd love to see them. So a lot of cloud cover out there tonight. Tomorrow we still have that upper level low around, so we'll have a lot of cloud cover, snow showers in areas of northern Maine, rain showers a bit closer to the coast. And then we do actually pull in a little bit more sunshine, some November sunshine in the 7-day forecast. So we'll start out with some more sun on Friday, but honestly the peak of the next 7 days I think is going to be Saturday. A lot of sunshine there. However, our temperatures don't really rebound a ton, still below average. So you might see a coating up to about an inch or so of snow from those snow showers tomorrow. Again, not expecting too much in terms of accumulation there. Our next system comes in for Sunday, and it is both faster and warmer than previously modeled earlier this week, meaning closer to the coast, you're much more likely to get all rain or just a little bit of mixing, and then some more mixed precipitation and some snow in areas of northern Maine. And some of these snow showers might hang out in northern and down east into early Monday, but we're not expecting those to hang around too long. We'll start to clear out in the afternoon on Monday. Marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet, small craft advisory in effect until 1 a.m. So 7-day forecast, again, aurora not super favorable for that tonight because of the cloud cover, but if you go out, send us some pictures. Rain and snow showers during the day tomorrow, also very cloudy, partly sunny and much brighter on Saturday, though keep in mind, look at our high temperatures. They don't get a ton warmer. Most of us for highs will be in the upper 30s to low 40s, so we're definitely remaining in this cool stretch, Bailey.
And back to the aurora real quick. The gang here last night, we went out on the weather deck to see if we could see it. You know,
a little bit.
Mixed results, I'd say.
Mixed results. You can see it more on the phone.
Well, that's what I was going to say. One of my friends last night said auroras are the sky's QR code because you have to hold your phone up to see it.
Seriously.
That's clever.
All right, we'll be back in 2 minutes. And, well, we're going to look at a new study that's showing that bees may remember more than we thought.